Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Navien tankless water heater no hot water. Troubleshoot burner, flow and setting. So fix 1 is perform a power reset. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet, then wait exactly 5 minutes for the system to drain residual electricity. Plug the cord back into the wall outlet, then turn on hot water tap to see if the heaters turn on. Second step is clean the water inlet filter. Turn off the main cold water supply valve under the heater, then unplug the water heater from the electrical outlet. Then twist and remove the plastic filter plug at the bottom of the unit, then rinse the mesh filter under a tap to remove all dirt and debris. Put the clean filter back in and twist it tight. Turn the cold water valve back on the plug in the unit. Third fix is check the main gas supply. Look at the gas pipe connected to the bottom of the heater, then ensure the gas valve handle is perfectly parallel to the pipe. Turn on another gas appliance in your home like a stove to check the gas flow. Contact your gas provider if your other appliances also lack gas. Fourth fix is clear the air exhaust and intake. Walk outside your home and find the plastic pipe coming out of the wall. Look inside the pipe for bird nest, leaves, ice or debris. Remove any blockage carefully so the machine can breathe properly. Restart your water heater using the power button on the front panel. Thanks for watching.